Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome back to the Podcast English channel. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy you're joining us today.
And I'm Alex. Hi, everyone. Today's topic is something we all need to hear. Not just English learners, but everyone in life, really.
Yes, today we're talking about keep going. Progress, not perfection.
This is a big message. Many English learners want to be perfect. Perfect grammar, perfect speaking, perfect pronunciation.
But perfection is not real. Progress is real. Small steps are real. Trying again is real.
Exactly. And in today's episode, we'll talk about why perfection is not necessary, how progress works, and how to keep going even when you feel slow or stuck.
So relax, smile, and enjoy this moment with us. You're doing great already.
Before we begin, don't forget to follow this podcast and subscribe so you never miss an episode.
And please share this episode with a friend who's learning English too. Sharing helps us grow and helps other learners feel confident. So, Alex, why do you think perfectionism is a problem for learners?
Because perfectionism stops people from learning. When you want everything to be perfect, you get scared. You don't speak. You don't practice. You think, I'm not ready.
Oh, yes, I hear this all the time. Students say, I'll speak when my English is better. But your English gets better by speaking.
Exactly. If you wait for perfect, you will wait forever.
And that's why we want learners to focus on progress. Small progress, simple progress, daily progress.
I have a story. I once had a student named Sam. Before he said anything, he sat for 20 seconds planning a perfect sentence in his head.
Oh no, I know this type.
Yes, and after thinking for 20 seconds, he still made a mistake, so he felt embarrassed.
Aw, poor Sam.
But I told him something important. You don't need perfect sentences, you need communication.
Yes, people don't want perfect English. They want to understand you.
And guess what? When Sam stopped trying to be perfect, he started improving faster. He spoke more, he enjoyed English more.
And that is what progress looks like. Perfectionism is a trap. It makes learners feel like, I'm not good enough. I'm too slow. Everyone speaks better than me. I need more time. I can't make mistakes.
Yes, perfectionism says you must be perfect. Progress says you are getting better.
Which one feels kinder? Which one feels human? Which one feels realistic?
Progress, of course. Perfection is a fantasy. Progress is real life.
Learners sometimes think progress is a straight line, like start, level 1, level 2, level 3, fluent.
Oh, if only. But progress is more like up, stuck, up, down a little, up again.
Exactly. Progress is not fast. Progress is not perfect. Progress is small improvement over time.
I call it messy progress, and messy progress is normal.
I have a great story about messy progress. I had a student named Maria. She wanted to read fast, really fast.
Like speed reading?
Yes, but she read slowly. She felt embarrassed. She said, Emily, why am I so slow? I told her, slow reading is okay. Slow reading is still reading.
Yes.
So Maria read 1 page a day, just 1 page, every day. After 3 months, she came to me and said, Emily, now 1 page feels easy. I can read 2 or 3 pages.
That's progress. Small, consistent progress.
Exactly. Slow does not mean weak. Slow means steady, and steady wins.
Let's give listeners simple ideas.
Good idea. Okay, here are easy ways to focus on progress. 1. Celebrate small wins. 2. Notice what you did today, not what you didn't do. 3. Speak even if you make mistakes. 4. Practice a little every day. 5. Don't compare yourself to others. 6. Compare yourself to your past self.
Love it. I want to add one more. 7. Let go of perfect English. No one speaks perfect English, not even native speakers.
Truth. Even we make mistakes.
Many mistakes.
Let's talk about these two simple words. Keep going.
Oh yes, these words are magic.
Because even if today is hard, even if you feel tired, even if you think you are slow, when you keep going, you will improve.
Consistency is more important than perfection.
Exactly. 5 minutes a day is better than 1 perfect hour once a month.
Let me tell a story. I had a student who studied English every single day. Not a lot, just 10 minutes, but she did it every day for 2 years.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yes, she wasn't fast, she wasn't perfect, but she kept going.
And that is why she improved.
Exactly. Your future English level depends more on your consistency than your skill today.
Progress can be small things, like understanding one new word, speaking 10 seconds longer, feeling less shy, listening to English without subtitles, writing a simple sentence, noticing you made fewer mistakes today, trying again after you fail.
Yes, progress is not perfect grammar. Progress is I'm better than yesterday.
Even 1% better is enough. You know, Alex, many learners say, Emily, I'm so slow. My English is not fast.
Oh, yes, I hear that all the time.
And I always tell them, slow is okay. Slow is normal. Slow means you are learning.
Exactly. When you learn something new, you cannot be fast on day one.
Yes, imagine learning to drive a car.
Oh, the first time I drove a car, I was so slow.
Oh, really?
Yes, I was scared. I was careful. I checked the mirrors every 2 seconds.
And now?
Now I can drive normally, smooth, easy, confident.
See? Progress, not perfection.
So if you feel slow in English,
That means you're going in the right direction. Slow is part of success.
slow is still progress.
Yes, step by step, word by word, episode by episode.
You're growing even if you don't see it every day.
I love celebrating small progress.
Oh yes, me too.
Every student should do it.
For example, if you understand one new word today,
Celebrate it.
if you listen to 10 minutes of English today,
Celebrate it.
if you don't give up today.
That is a big win.
We don't need perfect grammar to celebrate.
We don't need perfect pronunciation to celebrate.
We just need effort.
Yes, effort is everything.
If you wait for perfection before you celebrate,
You will never celebrate.
so celebrate now.
Celebrate today,
Celebrate small steps.
because small steps become big success.
Yes, one day you will look back.
And you will say, wow, I did it.
Many learners think, I must speak perfectly.
Oh, yes, and this is a big problem.
Perfection makes people scared.
Perfection stops people from trying.
Perfection tells you don't speak. You might make a mistake.
And that is so wrong.
Because mistakes help you learn.
Mistakes are teachers.
Mistakes show you what to practice.
Mistakes help your brain grow stronger.
When I learned Spanish, I made many mistakes.
Oh, me too.
I said words wrong, I used the wrong grammar,
But I still tried.
and I improved.
Yes, not because I was perfect, but because I kept going.
So for our listeners,
Please don't wait for perfection.
speak now.
Practice now.
Learn now.
Grow now. Oh, I have a story.
Ooh, I love story time.
One of my students, Maria, wanted to quit learning English.
Really? Why?
She said, I make too many mistakes. I'm bad at English.
Aw.
So I asked her, how long have you been learning?
What did she say?
She said, 3 months.
Oh, Maria.
Exactly. Nobody becomes perfect in 3 months.
Not even 3 years.
Yes, so I showed her her progress.
What happened?
She realized she was actually improving,
Wow,
and she kept going.
that's beautiful.
Today, she speaks with confidence. She's not perfect.
But she is growing.
Yes, progress, not perfection.
Okay, listeners, let's practice together.
Repeat after us.
I don't need to be perfect.
I just need to keep going.
Small steps are enough.
Mistakes help me learn.
I am improving every day.
I believe in myself.
Nice. Good job.
You're doing great.
If you feel tired today, remember this.
You are learning something new. That is brave.
You are practicing English. That is amazing.
You are trying. That is success.
You don't have to be perfect to be proud.
You just need to show up.
Show up today.
Show up tomorrow.
And one day, your English will surprise you.
You'll think, wow, I really did it.
And we'll be cheering for you.
Always. To everyone listening right now, please remember, you do not need to be perfect.
You only need to keep going.
You are learning, you are growing, you are improving, even if it's slow.
Slow progress is still progress.
Small steps are still steps.
And you are doing better than you think.
Today, we talked about why perfection stops progress,
Real stories of learners who improved slowly.
how to focus on progress,
Easy ways to keep going.
why small steps matter,
Why consistency is more important than perfection.
and the main message: keep going. Progress, not perfection.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope this episode made you feel encouraged and supported.
Don't forget to follow, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode.
Keep learning, keep growing, and always remember,
Progress, not perfection.